Hey YouTube. Yeah, I'm kind of sick. Anyway, I've been watching some videos lately. Most of them is slime films. So I was thinking, why don't we just make some slime? Because we haven't made a video in a while. So today we're gonna make some slime. So Cody, why don't you bring the camera over here? So right now, what we're starting off is some oil and some water. So yeah, and then afterwards we're gonna get like 2 spoonfuls of flour. And then we're just gonna put it in there. Yeah.
This kind of reminds me of how you make your own glue.
Yeah, and then.
But we're making
more.
slime.
Close it. And I think that's enough. But you just start mixing.
I kind of forgot how you make your own glue.
And there you are. Goodness. Look at
Well, oh. Too bad we don't have food coloring to color it. Are we done yet?
Get your finger out of the way.
It isn't in the way, but
It was, as I saw. So there you have it, guys. We just made a slime video.
well, simple.
Yeah, I just picked this up like the day I was doing some slime activities because we don't have any borax. I was like, oil and flour goes well together, as you can see. Get your finger out of the camera.
It's oh, I see now. It's only slightly in the camera.
And there you have it. So make sure to put a thumbs up and smash that like button because we're gonna hit hopefully 100 subscribers, and then as I know that we are up here. We're gonna do crazy dares and shit like that.
Yeah, that's true, but we're trying to get to 100 so we can
Start getting paid.
Yeah.
But it's not about getting paid.
It's about entertaining you guys. Also, this Friday I'll be doing a game video for you guys.
And we just made this slime video. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Alright, see you guys.
Bye.
Yeah, I guess.